Here's a little quick update on my Axial Wraith that I got from Fred a few years back. A few years back, I did modify this when I got it from Fred to have a dig on it, a working dig. I installed a servo and also installed rear steer. So I got four-wheel steering on his. Last time I used it, it was fine, but I did not crawl with it. And then another time I used it, the brush actually, one of the spring on the brush overheated and burnt out. So I had to change it. This time I took it out and the black wire got so hot that it came off. Now, I'm not the one that soldered it, but I guess I should have checked the solder before and how it was. Now, this is a 17 turn motor. Not sure the spur gear what's on there, but it's pretty big. But the pinion was a 27 turn. I think this was too big, especially to crawl. To have fun with the Wraith, it was good. For a basher, it was nice and fast, but for a 17 turn, it was way too hard on the motor, and the motor always overheated, and like you can tell, it was a big strain on the motor to actually crawl. So I am going to keep the same gearing, I think, but I'm changing this back to a 35 turn. I'll keep this 17 turn for something else. But I'm putting a 35 turn back in here because I do want to use this to crawl and not bash, because this is more of a crawler. So anyways, that's a quick recap on this. And now it's time for me to unsolder that one cable and resolder the new motor. And I'm actually putting a RC four-wheel drive 35 turn. I know it's not one of the best motor, but the gearing should be better now on here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more videos. Cheers.